In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create TikTok video on VistaCreate. By the end, you'll have a polished, vertical video ready to share on TikTok, created quickly and confidently. Start by opening the VistaCreate website in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead. Having an account lets you save projects and return to them later. On the homepage, look for the design categories and head to the social media section. This is where VistaCreate groups ready-made formats for different platforms, which saves you time and ensures your video fits TikTok's requirements without manual resizing. Within social media, choose TikTok video. This format is set to a 1080 by 1920 portrait canvas, which is exactly what TikTok uses. Picking the correct format first means every element you add will be framed properly for mobile viewing, with no awkward cropping. You'll now see a library of templates. Click on a template that matches your content style, whether it's a promo, a tutorial, or a quick announcement. Templates provide a strong starting structure with preset layouts, text styles, and animations, so you can focus on your message instead of building from scratch. If you prefer a minimal look, choose a clean design. If you want something lively, select a bold, animated option. Once your template opens, customize it to your liking. Replace the placeholder text with your headline and supporting details. Keep your main message short and clear, since TikTok viewers skim fast. Adjust fonts and colors to match your brand or theme and maintain high contrast for readability. Upload your own photos or vertical video clips, trim them in the editor, and drag them into place. You can add stickers, shapes, and motion elements, but keep the composition balanced so the screen doesn't feel crowded. If you're adding music, use the built-in audio options or upload your own, then sync text and cuts to the beat for a more engaging result. Aim for a snappy runtime. Around 9 to 15 seconds is a great starting point for most posts. Also, keep key text away from the top and bottom edges so it isn't covered by TikTok's interface. When you're happy, click Export. Choose MP4 to preserve animations and audio, and keep the default resolution for sharp playback on mobile. Give your file a clear name, export, and let VistaCreate render the video. Save your project as well so you can quickly repurpose the design later. That's it, you've created a TikTok-ready video in VistaCreate. Preview it on your phone, upload it to TikTok, add captions and tags, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and happy creating.